Hey, welcome back. My name's Austin. Welcome back to Bible Pathway Adventures. I'm so glad you're here. I'm trying to find something super important. I've been looking for days, for hours, and I said, you know what? Finally, enough is enough. I need to get outside and we need to go look for this thing. So if you're down, come follow me. Let's see if we can figure this out. Let's go. Let's ride. All right, so right now I'm on my way to the grocery store. So I've checked Walmart, I've checked Amazon, and I cannot find anything. The Bible talks about the Feast of Tabernacles. It's a feast that we need to keep. Now, the only problem is I don't even know what tabernacles taste like. Like, how can I, like, where do you buy these tabernacles? Like, how do you have a Feast of Tabernacles if there's no tabernacle store? What are you talking about? Come on, it's 2022. Like, where are you supposed to get these tabernacles from? So right now I'm trying to head to the store and see if I can find a tabernacle and then like eat it. I don't know. All right, so we just arrived at John's place. I figured this is a good place to start because, you know, the Gospel of John. I figured like if anybody's selling tabernacles for this feast, my man John should have it. So let's see if John's got some tabernacles. Hi, do you guys sell tabernacles? Tabernacles. No? Okay, all right. Sad to report, John's place has nothing to do with the Gospel of John. Couldn't find out it's a really, really popular name. We're gonna go somewhere else. Oh yeah, let's try Taco Bell. Taco Bell has everything. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, how you doing? Hi, do you guys have tabernacles?
What was that?
Tabernacles.
Could you say that one more time?
Taco Bell does not have tabernacles, but the Crunchwrap Supreme is doing surprisingly well. Like, it really made a comeback. All right, this is my last shot. If I can't find any tabernacles here, I'm going home. Cereal, jelly, hot cereal, coffee, cocoa, tea. Man, where are the tabernacles at? All right, so while we're looking for these tabernacles, I had to make a quick stop. So I saw something else in scripture. It talked about Sukkot. So I figured I go to Kohl's, clothing store, see if I can find these Sukkots. So stay with me. Hi. Yeah, I'm looking for coats.
What?
Coats?
Like outerwear stuff?
Yeah.
Downstairs?
Oh, okay.
Right when you go down the escalator, make a left. It's right behind Sephora.
Downstairs, escalator to the left.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right, thank you. We're in luck. So apparently they have Sukkots here. So we're gonna go check it out. This is where they sent me, but this isn't adding up. This isn't a Sukkot, right? This is not a Sukkot. All right, so I'm back in the car. Apparently, me and the lady working there got a little confused. I asked her to see if I can find some Sukkots, and she took me to jackets, which, I mean, what does that got to do with anything, you know? I'm having a hard time trying to find tabernacles to eat and these Sukkots, so I can stay in them, and I don't know. So maybe I should just go back and read the scripture and see if we can figure out what is this thing talking about? How do we keep this thing? So, man, I cannot find these tabernacles anywhere. Huh. So it says the Feast of Tabernacles. Oh, also known as Sukkot. It's one of Yah's appointed times and is observed during the week starting on Tishri 15, usually in late September or mid-October. And you can read more about it in Leviticus chapter 23, verses 34 through 44. That's great. Look, it has everything I'm looking for. It says Sukkot begins 5 days after Yom Kippur. I think that's the Day of Atonement. And starts and ends with a special high Sabbath. During this feast, many people live in temporary shelters or sukkahs. Oh my gosh, a tabernacle, a sukkah is a temporary shelter. Kind of like this. Look at that. You see that right there? That's a sukkah, that's a Sukkot. That's why I couldn't find it at the store. You have to build one. And you sleep in it. And you don't eat it. During this feast, many people live in temporary sukkahs to remind them that Yah has delivered the Israelites out of Egypt. Man, I should have read my fall feast book to start. If you don't have one, get one in the description below. It'll save you a lot of gas. Not like stinky gas. Okay, all right, it's time to end this.